Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure earbuds have enough charge and are in pairing mode. This avoids dropped connections. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your PC and open Settings Right Arrow Devices, Right Arrow Bluetooth, so Windows can scan. You want the PC actively searching before bringing the earbuds close. That reduces discovery time. Make sure any other paired hosts are out of range, because many earbuds only show up to one device when busy. Now move quickly to add a device and watch for the earbud's name. You select the earbuds from the Add a Device list and accept any pairing prompts. Windows will show a success message when connected. If you don't see the name, make sure the PC's Bluetooth adapter is enabled in Device Manager and not disabled by airplane mode. Once paired, Windows may still need drivers. Install or update the adapter driver and the Bluetooth stack, because proper drivers ensure audio profiles like hands-free and A2DP work correctly. After driver updates, reconnect the earbuds to finalize pairing. You finish by setting the earbuds as the default output, and if needed, the default communication device in sound settings so apps send audio to them. Then test media and microphone. Adjust app-specific audio outputs if one program still uses speakers. If you experience latency or low quality, try switching codec preferences or disabling hands-free telephony for music playback. If things go wrong, unpair the device, reset the earbuds per the manual, and update Windows and Bluetooth drivers before retrying. That fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.